Hello and welcome. My name is Joe Natoli. I'm a user experience consultant, and for the last 26 years, I've been helping organizations of all shapes and sizes create positive user experiences through websites, apps, systems, and just about any kind of digital product that you can think of. What is user experience? Well, it's the thing that makes any of those products useful, usable, and valuable. Okay, that's the heart and soul of something that's successful. If people use it and people derive value from it, then that means value also comes back to the creator or the business. That means you make money, you save money, or people just in general like you. One way or another, value goes out and comes back in. That's what user experience is. And that is the core principle of what we're going to do in this course. I'm going to walk you through 4 very distinct phases of building something. All right, we're going to start with definition, which is why are we doing this? Why does it matter to users? Why does it matter to the business? Information architecture, what content is needed? How much of it is there? What are we going to call it? How are we going to categorize it? To design, what user interface design is appropriate? What dictates how something should look? And what's the difference between designing for a business-to-business website or a business-to-consumer blog or an e-commerce product website? Okay, we're going to tackle all that. And finally, I'm going to show you how to build all this. Okay, you are going to design and build 3 very different kinds of sites. You're going to design and build a B2B website using HTML and CSS. You're going to create a blog based on the WordPress platform. And then finally, you're going to design and build an e-commerce website, okay, including learning how to manage products and inventory and all those kinds of things. Okay, so from soup to nuts, we are going to cover all of it in this course. So whether you have dreams of starting your own business and you want to start something online, or if you do client work and you simply want to be better at it, or if you're a print designer who's looking to move into website design but doesn't know where to start, you are most definitely in the right place. Okay, let's go.